Hey there, it's Marcus from RDP Arena. If you log into your Linux VPS every day, you already know how annoying it gets to type your password over and over again. And if your password is strong, it is probably long, hard to type, and easy to mistype. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SSH key login in PuTTY so you can open your server and get authenticated without typing your server password every time. The process is simple. First, we'll generate two keys, one public and one private. We'll add the public key to your Linux VPS, and then set up PuTTY to use the private key whenever you connect. Once both keys match, your server will let you in without asking for your password. Let's get started. First, open PuTTY and log into your server the normal way using your username and password. If you have not set up PuTTY yet, or you are not sure how the basic connection works, check the link in the description for my full PuTTY tutorial. As you can see, I'm already logged into my server. Now, you need to install a small tool called PuTTYgen. PuTTYgen is the tool you'll use to create the SSH key pair that will allow your computer to prove it is allowed to access the server. The download link is in the description, so go ahead and grab it. I have it saved on my desktop, so I'm going to open it now. Once PuTTYgen opens, click on the Generate button. Now move your mouse inside or around the PuTTYgen window. This helps PuTTYgen create a more random and secure key. Keep moving your mouse until the progress bar fills up and you see the public key appear in the box at the top. As you can see, the public key is now visible on my screen. Now, click the Save Public Key button. Choose where you want to save it. I'm saving mine on the desktop for this video, but for your own setup, you should save your keys somewhere private and easy for you to find later. Name the file id_rsa.pub and click Save. Next, click Save Private Key. PuTTY may ask if you want to save the private key without a passphrase. For this video, we're setting up login without typing anything each time, so I'm going to continue without a passphrase. But please remember, this means anyone who gets access to this private key file could use it to log into your server. So only do this on a computer you actually trust. Keep the key file somewhere safe, and never share it with anyone. Now choose a location to save the private key. Name it id_rsa and click Save. Now you have your key pair ready. The next step is the important part. You need to place your public key on your Linux server inside a file called authorized_keys. This file is what your server checks when you try to log in. If your public key is listed there and your private key matches it, the server lets you in without asking for your password. In a moment, I'll show you exactly where to paste the key and how to save the file correctly. But before we do that, I've got something exciting to share with you. We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited, and this sale won't be around forever. Now let's get back to the video. Switch back to PuTTY, where you are already logged into your VPS. Type the two commands you see on your screen. The second command opens up the authorized keys file using the Vim Editor. You can see the file is currently empty, so let's fill it in. Head back to PuTTYgen and select the entire public key shown in the top box. Right-click and copy it. Now back in PuTTY, press the letter I on your keyboard. This switches Vim into insert mode, which means you can actually paste text in. Right-click anywhere in the PuTTY window to paste your public key. Once your key is pasted in, press the escape key, then type :WQ and hit enter. This saves the file and closes Vim. Now close your current PuTTY session. Open PuTTY again. Enter the host name in the format, your server username, followed by the @ symbol, and then the IP address of your Linux VPS. Next, look at the category list on the left side of PuTTY. Find the SSH section and double-click to expand it. From the list that drops down, double-click on Auth and then select Credentials. Now look over to the right side of the window. You will see an option called Private Key File for Authentication. Click the Browse button next to it. Find the private key file you saved earlier. In my case, it is saved on the desktop. Select the private key file and click Open. One more important step before you connect. Go back to the session on the left pane. Enter a name for this connection under Saved Sessions, and then click Save. This way, you do not have to relink the private key every single time you open PuTTY. Now double-click your saved session. And just like that, you are in. No password prompt, no typing, just instant access using your key pair.
If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.